Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party a day after Manipur witnessed fresh violence in Kangpokpi district. In a post on X, Congress President Kharge accused BJP of having vested interest in keeping Manipur on the boil and compared BJP to a matchstick which burned Manipur. While targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi for not visiting Manipur, the Congress leader said Modi ji last went to Manipur in 2022 to seek votes for BJP. He added that more than 600 days have passed and media reports through satellite images have now revealed that villages after villages have been wiped off in the state. While expressing concern over the fresh violence in Kangpokpi district, which left Kangpokpi's superintendent of police injured following a mob attack by Kuki protesters, Mallikarjun Kharge said Congress had made 3 specific requests on December 6 last year, which included the demand for Prime Minister to visit violence-hit Manipur before the end of 2024. But BJP-led government has not fulfilled any of the requests. There have been more than 250 innocent deaths, with 60,000 being displaced. People are still living in camps for 20 months. Even the Supreme Court has said it is the primary responsibility of the union and state governments to ensure peace and normalcy. Mallikarjun Kharge further asserted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi cannot escape the constitutional culpability of not following Raj Dharma.